Today on FlyWire, I've got to ferry this T34 from the homegrown to Mesquite, Texas, and because I was doing a pre-buy on it for some friends here, and it's got to go back to its owner. And I thought y'all might want to come along for the ride. It's turned out to be a real pretty day outside. The weather's sort of cleared up. We got a bit of a hole from yesterday's crappy, and tomorrow it's going to be crappy. There's a few clouds that we might have to be dodging. Plus it's DFW, lots of busy traffic out there, and there's nothing in this airplane to help me with that. So I'm going to take this little doozy here. It's from the Avionics people. It's called a Sentry, and it's integrated with FlyWire, and it gives me the weather in and out, or it gives me the weather and winds and traffic and all that kind of stuff. So we're going to watch that and take a look at that on our way to Mesquite. So buckle up. Let's go for a ride. Gotta get strapped in. Should have adjusted these before I got in the airplane.
On traffic, blue T34, back taxi 17 Alright, we're going to stop here at the end of the runway and do a quick run up. Oil temperature's good, cylinder head temperatures all look good, so let's run up 1700. Portland traffic blue T34 is taking active at 17, departing to the southeast Portland. Forward, mixer forward, trim set. Looks like we're ready to go. And we're airborne, 0. Alright, we got a little bit of a tailwind. Even so, we're showing, indicating about 170 knots. It's pretty smooth air, so I'm riding in yellow. And if it starts bumping much, it'll slow down. But it's pretty smooth, and the ground speed's showing 194. Woohoo! What fun! So I had to slow down a little bit. We were really cooking there at 190 ground, 170 indicated. That's fun. But ran into this, the tattered end of the weather that was here, so it's a little bit bumpy. We had to slow down. Even so, we're doing 150 knots ground speed, so bad. We're almost halfway there, so I'll give you another view out the front. Mesquite Tower, T34, 830, Charlie Bravo.
November 830, Charlie Bravo, Mesquite.
Yes, sir. 0 Charlie Bravo is 10 miles to the southwest with Lima, VFR landing.
November 830, Charlie Bravo, roger, right traffic 18, report downwind. Traffic's assessing about a mile southwest, westbound, watch for him.
For traffic?
Right traffic for 18, watching for the traffic, 0 Charlie Bravo. Alright, we need to slow down a little bit.
383 Charlie.
Sport Cruiser 3883 Charlie, roger, number 2, follow him, he's touch and go. Number 6 November Kilo, clear for touch and go 18, then make left traffic.
Clear for touch and go 18, left traffic, 6 Kilo.
Mentor 830 Charlie Bravo, same position.
Just to the southwest, about a mile and a half. I'm fixing to enter the downwind.
Mentor 830 Charlie Bravo, roger, traffic here following's on the runway, clear to land 18.
Clear to land 18 and tally the traffic, 0 Charlie Bravo.
Mesquite Tower, Pipeline 7 Victor Alpha is ready to go, left turn out to the east.
Pipeline 7 Victor Alpha, traffic off ahead's in the pattern, runway 18, clear for takeoff, left turn approved, keep them inside.
Yeah, business separation of traffic, clear for takeoff 7 Victor Alpha.
Mentor 830 Charlie Bravo, traffic's about to depart on the runway, clear to land. Where are you going to park today?
I believe it's Mesquite Aviation there in front of the tower.
830 Charlie Bravo, roger.
Alright, gear speed's good, gear's coming down. Zero Charlie Bravo, right base gear stop, 18.
Mentor 830 Charlie Bravo, clear to land 18.
Clear to land 18, 8 Charlie Bravo.
Sport Cruiser 3883 Charlie, number 3, landfall assessed to just northeast field downwind.
Number 3 following the Cessna, Sport Cruiser 3883 Charlie.
Assessed 6 November Kilo, that T34 is full stop.
Roger that, negative contact on that traffic, 6 November Kilo.
Number 6 November Kilo, you can turn base when ready.
Gear is down.
6 Kilo, thank you.
Flaps are down.
Wind 190 at 4. November 830 Charlie Bravo. You can turn right at the next taxiway and proceed on Alpha to the terminal ramp.
Right on the next taxiway, Alpha to the terminal ramp for 0 Charlie Bravo.
Says 6 November Kilo, clear for touch go, then left traffic.
All right, clear the runway. We'll put flaps up. Trim, set the trim.
And well, that was it. That was a quick tour around the DFW Metroplex on the south side, and we brought the T34 back to Mesquite safely. Hopefully his owner's going to be happy about that. I know I am. So, and it's a pretty day. A little bumpy there towards the middle to the end, but I think it all worked out real well. Hope you enjoyed the ride. And if you did that, well, hit subscribe so you won't miss the next time. And maybe leave a comment. Tell me what you'd like to see next. So, thanks a lot, and we'll see you next time on FlyWire.